Still fighting rusty lug nuts with a breaker bar? In 2026, cordless impact wrenches are absolute torque monsters. Whether you're working on cars, heavy equipment, or DIY garage projects, these tools make tough jobs feel easy. Let's break down the best cordless impact wrenches you can buy right now. Milwaukee continues to dominate the cordless tool game, and their latest high-torque impact wrench proves why. This thing is built for serious work. Insane breakaway torque, fast bolt removal, and rock-solid durability. It's powered by the M18 battery platform, which means you get strong runtime and consistent performance even under heavy load. The brushless motor keeps things efficient, while multiple drive modes let you dial in power depending on the job. Working on suspension bolts, truck lugs, or stubborn fasteners? This tool doesn't hesitate. The grip feels solid, the build quality is top tier, and it's clearly made for professionals who use their tools daily. If you want raw power with reliability to match, this Milwaukee model is a beast. Check the description below for links and current pricing. The DeWalt DCF921 P2 is compact, but seriously capable. If you're working in tighter spaces, engine bays, undercarriages, or cramped mechanical areas, this wrench shines. It delivers impressive torque for its size, and the 3-speed settings give you great control when you don't want to over-tighten or snap bolts. The ergonomic handle feels balanced and comfortable, especially during long sessions. Paired with DeWalt's reliable 20-volt battery system, it offers solid runtime and dependable power delivery. This one hits that sweet spot between power and portability, making it perfect for mechanics and serious DIYers alike. If you need something versatile that doesn't feel bulky, this is a strong contender. Links for more details and purchasing are in the description. Ryobi has stepped up big time in recent years, and this 1+ 18-volt brushless 4-mode high torque kit proves it. You get impressive torque output without paying premium tool brand prices. The 4-mode control system is super helpful, especially the auto stop and assist modes, which prevent over-tightening and make removal smoother. It's part of the ONE+ ecosystem, so if you already own Ryobi batteries, this becomes even more appealing. It feels durable, performs consistently, and handles automotive jobs confidently. For home garages, tire rotations, and general heavy-duty tasks, it absolutely delivers. If you want serious performance without draining your wallet, this one deserves attention. Check the description for the latest price and availability. If you want maximum muscle from DeWalt, this 20-volt high-torque model brings it. It's built for demanding applications. Think seize bolts, heavy machinery, and large fasteners. The brushless motor pushes out strong breakaway torque while maintaining efficiency. The multi-speed trigger gives you excellent control, and the overall design feels rugged and professional grade. It's not the smallest wrench on this list, but it's built to dominate tough jobs. Paired with high-capacity batteries, it can power through demanding workdays without slowing down. For pros who need reliability and brute strength, this DeWalt model checks all the boxes. You'll find the purchase links in the description below. Ingersoll Rand is a legendary name in impact tools, and the W5153K12 brings that reputation into the cordless world. This wrench feels refined, smooth trigger response, balanced weight, and excellent torque control. It's powerful enough for serious automotive work, but precise enough for controlled fastening. The build quality is excellent, and it's clearly engineered for durability in professional environments. The IQV battery platform provides dependable performance and consistent output. If you want a premium workshop-grade tool with a long-standing reputation behind it, this one delivers confidence with every pull of the trigger. Check the description below for links and updated pricing. From Milwaukee's torque monsters to budget-friendly Ryobi powerhouses, these are the best cordless impact wrenches you can grab in 2026. Whether you're a professional mechanic or upgrading your home garage, there's something here for every level. Check the links in the description for more details and pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or I'll see you in the next one.